All right, today's stuff, lesson 3.1, solving two-step equations. So now we're gonna be doing multiple steps. So we're solving for the variables. Okay, very first thing, all of these are going to be two-column proofs.
Oh, it's two columns? What's that?
Okay, two-column proofs. So you're describing what you're doing each and every time. So the very first thing you write down is the problem, which is your given. Okay, that's your very first step. Second step, how do I get b by itself?
You have to subtract.
Subtract what?
Subtract
7. Do the opposite operation because you're taking it across the equal sign. So we're taking the 7 over, got to subtract it. So now you have 3b equals a -9. Over here, you're describing what you did. We did the subtraction property of equality. So I label it subpo. Subtraction property of equality. Next step. Divide by 3. So now I have b equals -3. I did the division property of equality. There's your two-column proof. Okay, it's not too bad. Okay, next one. First step.
Subtract 14.
Given. Second step.
Subtract 14.
Subtract 14. So I've got h over 5 equals, what's 2 minus 14?
Negative, no. Am I right? Negative something?
-12.
Yeah.
Okay, we did the subtraction property of equality, the subpo. Now what? What do I need to do to get h by itself?
Either divide by
You're already dividing. What's the opposite of division?
multiplication.
So let's multiply both sides by 5. So now we got h equals -60. We did the multiplication property of equality. So not too bad. Look at this one up here. First step.
Given.
Given. Next step.
Subtract 3.
Subtract 3. -4 equals 4x. What's that called?
Given. No, the subpo.
Subpo. Now what?
You have to divide
By?
4.
So we got -1 equals x. There's your divpo. Okay. One more. Okay. So we got our given. Okay. Add 4. So I've got -x equals -16. We did the adpo. How do I get rid of that negative?
You have to divide it by another negative.
Divide it by a negative or multiply by negative. Either way is the same thing. I'm going to multiply by -1. So I got x equals 16. Mult
Doesn't seem that hard.
by a negative. So there it is. Two-column proofs. Solving the two steps. Not too bad. Go ahead, get started. It is on page